Hello everyone! Welcome to 90 Plus India's first animated live tuition. So, how are you guys doing? Jikki sir, ഞാൻ കുറച്ച് ഈ സൈഡിലേക്ക് മാറിയാലോ? Yes, മതി. അതാണ് നല്ലതെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു. Yes. Hello, how are you guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good evening. Yes, I'm fine. Yes, so tell me, how is school? How was school, guys? School എങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു? Come on, quickly comment. It was good, it was fine. Okay, alright. Okay, കിട്ടുമായിരുന്നോ? Nice. Alright. So tell me, what were we discussing? നമ്മൾ എന്താ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നേ? Yes. Good evening. We were discussing about acids, bases and salts. അല്ലേ? അതാണ് നമ്മുടെ chapter, the second chapter. Oh, tomorrow you have
exams.
Science exam.
Schools, okay.
You should score good marks, okay? All right. Perfect. So, we were discussing about the chemical properties of acids and bases, right? അല്ലേ കെമിക്കൽ പ്രോപ്പർട്ടീസ് അല്ലേ നമ്മൾ ആസിഡ്സിന്റെയും ബേസിന്റെയും ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നത്. ബട്ട് ബിഫോർ ദാറ്റ് any new students in the class? നമുക്ക് new students ഒക്കെ ഉണ്ടോ?
Yes, you can hand raise if you have any new students.
New students can please raise your hand, okay? No new students.
No, yeah, we have Niva, one new student. Oh, we have Andrea, Milan, Haifa.
Okay, we have a lot of new students, I guess. Yes, hello, hi.
One new student. Rishimas has also hand raised.
Okay, all right. So, welcome to our class, okay? All right. Perfect. Yes. Now, so we were discussing about the chemical properties of acids and bases. And we saw a lot of reactions in the last class, right? Lot of reactions. Do you remember any of those? You remember any of those reactions?
Yeah.
Was it really confusing? Not really, right? It was pretty simple, right? Simple reactions ആയിരുന്നില്ലേ? Yes, then let me ask a question. Okay. Yes, Fatima, hi. All right. Okay. So, let me ask a question. What will you get when an acid react with a metal? What will you get when an acid react with a metal? You can comment.
Yeah, we got the answers from Nia.
Yes, Nia is the first one to answer. Very good.
Gautam.
Yes, Gautam, you're right. Okay. So all of you remember. So I have a question, okay? I'll give you a quick question here. And you have to do this. Okay. So let me change the color of the pen. Okay, so this is the first question. Write the balanced reaction for dilute hydrochloric acid reacts with magnesium. Okay, this is the first question. Dilute hydrochloric acid reacts with magnesium. Ma'am, the first one to answer will get a huge shout out in class, okay? Yes.
Who is that?
Who is the first one to comment the balanced?
Be quick. Yes, we
Balanced.
got the answers. Oh,
Balanced chemical equation.
Balance.
Nia, you forgot to balance it. Yes. Which exam is at the end, okay? Towards the end. Not now, okay, Fatima? Yes.
Come on, I'm waiting for the answers. You can
comment the answers. No,
Nia.
Yes, who is that?
Shalavarshini.
Congratulations. That's the correct answer. And now we have a lot of answers coming. All right, perfect. So, what will be the equation? HCl plus magnesium. So, what is this reaction? This is the reaction of an acid with a metal, right? So, an acid reacts with a metal to give what? To give salt and hydrogen gas. So, hydrogen gas will be surely formed. And what will be the salt formed here? It is? Yes, very good. It is magnesium chloride. Okay, MgCl2. Okay, now what we should do? We should balance it. How will we balance it? We'll add a 2 here. Simple. Chikisa?
Yeah.
Yes, we'll add a 2 here. Okay. All right. Yes. So, HCl plus Mg gives MgCl2 plus H2. Is it clear? Is this the answer everyone got? Ah, yes. Nia corrected. Okay. Yes. I think she got it.
Yes.
Yes. Perfect. So, now I'll give you another question. Yes, you can complete this equation. Calcium carbonate plus HCl. What is this? This is what reaction? Yes. Okay, so in the class there is specialty. Any idea? We are going live, guys. We are going live. Our class is available like on live on YouTube. Okay. So, did you guys share the link to your friends? You can share the link with your friends. Okay. All right. Okay. Yes. You have the link here in the comment box. Okay. You can share it to your friends. Okay. All right. Perfect. Yes. So, what is this reaction? Metal carbonate and acid. Do you remember? What will happen? Is it neutralization reaction? No, it's not neutralization reaction. Yes, who is that, ma'am?
Yes, Nivedita.
Nivedita. Yes, it's correct. Okay, it's correct. Very good. But is it balanced? Is it balanced? So tell me, what happens when a metal carbonate reacts with an acid? Ah, yes, we have the answers. Very good. We get what? Yes, we get salt, water and carbon dioxide. Perfect. Very good. So, yes. Yes, almost all of you have commented the correct answer. Okay, keep commenting like this. Very good. So, when calcium carbonate reacts with HCl, we get calcium chloride plus water plus CO2, right? Yes, now it's balanced, right? So, when an acid reacts with metal carbonates, we get what? We get salt, water and carbon dioxide. Okay, so when you add acid to calcium carbonate, you can see a very good like effervescence coming. Effervescence എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ എന്താ? Bubbles ഇങ്ങനെ ഫോം ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. അതെ, എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണത്? That is because of the formation of carbon dioxide. Okay, carbon dioxide അവിടെ ഇങ്ങനെ bubble ചെയ്യും. അതിനാണ് നമ്മൾ effervescence എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Okay, it's effervescence. Okay, നമുക്ക് പെട്ടെന്ന് നല്ല ബബിൾസ് ഒക്കെ ഇങ്ങനെ വരുന്ന കാണാൻ പറ്റും. That is because of what? Because of carbon dioxide. Now, we are very much familiar with calcium carbonate. അല്ലേ? Calcium carbonate നമ്മൾ chapter 1 തുടങ്ങി കാണുന്നതാ. Right? Now, I want you to remember that. Yes, you can note this down, okay? Limestone, chalk, marble. Okay, these are all different forms of calcium carbonate. Okay, limestone, chalk, marble. ഇതൊക്കെ എന്താ? Calcium carbonate in the different forms ആണ്. Okay, and always remember that the main constituent of eggshell, okay, eggshells in the major constituent ആരാണ്? It's calcium carbonate. Okay, effervescence. Yes, effervescence means bubbles. Okay, solution liquid le bubbles ingane form cheyum, adeyana nammal effervescence ennu parayunnathu. Okay, all right. So eggshells inde major component aarana? It's calcium carbonate. So when they ask what will happen if you drop an eggshell in hydrochloric acid, what will you write? You will write the same reaction. Okay, all right. Yes, so limestone, chalk and marble, these are all different forms of calcium carbonate. Yes, clear? Yes, so you have studied. Very good. Now I have another question for you. Okay, now my question is, we saw different reactions of acids and bases. Okay, my biggest question is, can an acid react with a base? What do you think? What do you think? Can an acid react with a base? Jikki sir, what do you think? Can an acid react with a base?
Of course.
Okay, he's saying yes. Okay. Now, what about the comment box?
Yes.
Nimaya has already written the answer. Very good. So, majority of saying yes. Okay. Ellarum yes aanu parayunnu, oru no polu illa.
No.
Okay. So you're right. Okay. So acid can react with a base, and this reaction has got a name. Okay. ഇതിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്തെന്ന് പറയുന്നത്? Neutralization reaction എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Okay. Yes, it is called what? It's called neutralization reaction. So I'll repeat it again. An acid can react with a base. Okay. Now, when an acid reacts with a base, it will form salt and water. Okay, it will form what? Salt and water. Now you can note it down. What is neutralization reaction? It is a reaction in which an acid reacts with a base. Okay, to form what? To form salt and water. It's a very, very, very important reaction. Okay. It is called neutralization reaction. Done? Okay, this reaction is called neutralization reaction. Perfect. Now, done. You can take a screenshot first, okay? You can take a screenshot and then start writing. Yes. Now, so, yeah, we are at our lab, okay? Now, we will experiment. We will neutralization reaction on the experiment. Okay, and let's see what happens. Okay. Yes, now, you should answer this. Okay, so here, in my lab, I have phenolphthalein indicator, which you are very familiar with. Okay, then I have dilute HCl and also sodium hydroxide. Okay. Okay, now my first question, which is the base and which is the acid here? Which is the base and which is the acid here? NaOH or HCl? Which is the base?
Yes.
Yes, Devika. Very good, very good. Okay, yes, I can see the answers. Very good, perfect. So, here I have a test tube. Okay, can you see the test tube? Here I have a test tube. In the test tube, I have taken some sodium hydroxide. Okay, I have taken some sodium hydroxide. Yes, to the sodium hydroxide, I am going to add a few drops of phenolphthalein. Okay, sir, add cheyan varate. Namukku adinu munne adin chodyam chodikkam.
Yes.
So, when I add phenolphthalein to a base, what will be the color change? Nia, yes, correct answer. Yes, our solution will turn pink. Okay, let's check. Yes, sir. Namukku phenolphthalein eduthu add cheyumbo, let's see what happens. Our solution is now pink. Okay. Our solution is pink. That means NaOH is what? Basic in nature. Okay. Yes. To this solution, I am going to add some HCl. Okay. Hydrochloric acid and let's see what happens. Yes, sir. Yes. HCl add cheyumbo, what happened? The pink color disappeared. Why? Why? Why did the pink color disappear? That is because NaOH in the base my acid reacted. Okay, my acid reacted completely with the base. Okay, base in a property right? Yes, my base reacted with what? Completely reacted with my acid. That's why it lost its pink color. Now, what will I add? Excess of NaOH. What will become? What will the solution become? Very good, very good. So, we excess NaOH add and let's see what happens. Yes. We'll add some excess NaOH and let's see what happens. The pink color reappeared. Okay. Pink color reappeared. Yes, yes. Very good, Abhinand. Very good. Okay. So what actually... Yes, sir. You can remove the animation. So what actually happened here? What actually happened here? Here, our acid HCl reacted with NaOH, sodium hydroxide, and we got what? We got a salt, NaCl, and water. So, HCl is our... So, can I use the pen? Yes. HCl is our acid. Okay, it reacted with a base, and we got what? We got a salt, that is NaCl here and water. ഇതിനെയാണ് എന്തെന്ന് പറയുന്നത്? Neutralization reaction എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Okay, is it clear? Now, ഇനി ഒരു second way നമ്മൾ എങ്ങനെ define ചെയ്യാന്ന് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ neutralization reaction can also be defined as what? The H plus ions from acid, okay, reacts with the OH minus ions from the base to form what? To form water. Okay. Anganeyum oru definition undu. Okay. Alright. So, what did I say? The H plus ion from the acid reacts with the OH ions, OH minus ions from the base to form what? To form water. Okay. Is it clear? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Anganeyanengil, I'll give you a question. You should complete this, okay? Okay. KOH plus HNO3. Now, what is HNO3? No. Solution. Yes. Yes. Yes, in this reaction, NaCl will be in the solution, okay? Mixed in the solution, okay? It will not precipitate out, okay? Yes. Now, KOH is potassium hydroxide. HNO3 is nitric acid. Yes, very good. Now, complete the reaction. Complete the reaction. What will you get?
Yes, we got the answers, ma'am.
Yes, who is that first one? Is Joanna?
First
Joanna, your answer is correct, okay?
Nia is actually a new joining.
No. Nia Nishant is an old student. Yes.
Sorry, Nia. So Nia is the first one to get the comment.
Yes, Nia is the first one. So, elaborate yo. Just Nia and Joanna. I think others are still writing. Okay, I'll give you time. Don't worry. Yes. Yes, now I have a lot of answers here in the comment box. Yes, Haseem, you're correct. Okay, very good. Perfect. All right. So this H and OH can be written as water. Okay. Oh, sir, I think they can't see this. Okay, all right. Just a second, guys. I'll take a blank slide. Okay. Yes. KOH plus HNO3 gives what? We get KNO3 plus H2O. Okay, KNO3 plus H2O. ഇതെല്ലാം എല്ലാവർക്കും കിട്ടിയത്? Yes. Okay, perfect. അപ്പോൾ ന്യൂട്രലൈസേഷൻ റിയാക്ഷൻ എന്താണോ മനസ്സിലായോ? Yes, Haseem, you can go. Okay. Yes, so is neutralization reaction clear for you guys? Okay,
yes,
all right, perfect. Now, let's move on. Yes, now the second reaction is reaction of metallic oxides with acids. Okay, now acid will react with what? React with metal oxides. Okay, oxides of metal. Okay, to give what? To give salt and water. This ഞാൻ എവിടെ കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടല്ലോ. We'll come back to that. Okay, so acids will react with what? Metal oxides. Okay, to give what? To give salt and water. So you can write this down. Acid reacts with metal oxide to give salt and water. Is it clear? Yes. You can note this down, okay? First നമ്മൾ കണ്ടത് it was neutralization reaction. Second നമ്മൾ കാണാൻ പോകുന്നു the reaction of acids with metal oxides. Okay, ഇനി കുറച്ച് metal oxides ന്റെ example പറഞ്ഞു തന്നെ മിസ്സിന്. Give me some examples for metal oxides. Come on. Ma'am, I think we have the comments there.
Yes.
Very good. We have calcium oxide, then what? We have copper oxide, we have Na2O, we have MgO. These are all examples for what? Metal oxides. Okay. Yes, very good. Metal oxides. Appo namakku adinu for the time being we'll take copper oxide. Okay. Now copper oxide adil korchu acid ittittu let's see what happens. Okay. So I think we can have our next animation. Yes. Let's do an experiment, guys. Let's see what happens when we add acid to metal oxide, that is copper oxide in particular. Okay. Alright. So here I have some copper oxide. Now you always you should remember the color of copper oxide. നമ്മൾ first chapter ൽ കണ്ടതല്ലേ copper oxide എന്താണ്? It is black in color അല്ലേ? Yes. അപ്പോൾ copper oxide black in color ആണ്. But what is the color of copper metal? What is the color of copper? Yes, Nia, you're correct. Yes, brownish or reddish brown color, right? Yes, perfect. Now, yes, sir, you can plead. Yes. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some copper oxide and I'm going to put it in a test tube. Okay. I'm going to put it in a test tube. Now I'll add some dilute hydrochloric acid. Okay. Yes. Some dilute hydrochloric acid. I'm going to add it in the test tube. Yes. And I'll shake it really well. Okay. Yes. Let's shake it really well, sir. What did you observe? We got a bluish green color solution, right? Yes, we got a bluish green color solution of copper chloride. Yes, copper chloride is green, but it is bluish green is the correct way. Okay. Yes. Is it clear? Yes. Yes, sir. You can remove it. Yes. So, what actually happened here? This is the reaction that took place. Okay. Copper oxide reacted with hydrochloric acid to give copper chloride and water. Okay. Now, the color of copper chloride is what? It is bluish green in color. Okay. It is bluish. Copper chloride is bluish green in color. Bluish green in color. What is the color of copper oxide? Copper oxide in color, it is black. Okay. It is black. Okay, is it okay?
Yes.
So, alright. So, acid metal oxide had to react we got salt and water. Okay. In a thottu munne, we discussed that when acid react with the base, we get salt and water. Okay. Appo, what we can say? We can say that metal oxides are basic in nature. Alle? Acid ഒരു ബേസിനായിട്ട് റിയാക്ട് ചെയ്താൽ നമുക്ക് സോൾട്ടും വാട്ടറാണ് കിട്ടുന്നത്. അല്ലേ? ഇവിടെ എന്താ? ഇവിടെ ആസിഡ് മെറ്റൽ ഓക്സൈഡിനായിട്ട് റിയാക്ട് ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ എന്ത് കിട്ടി? We got salt and water. So from that we can say that metal oxides are generally basic in nature. Okay? You can note that down, okay? Yes, you can note that down. Metal oxides are generally basic in nature. Thank you. Yes. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. All right. So can I use the pen?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. She's telling the answer, ma'am. Yeah.
Yes.
All right. So then I'll give you a question. If it is so clear now. Yes. So. Yeah. All right. So here's a question. Calcium oxide plus HCl. What will we get? Yes. Yes. So, come on, everyone, you're writing the exam, right? I mean, not the exam.
Yeah, just in they say something issues.
Okay. Yes. So, you can complete this equation. What will happen when calcium oxide reacts with hydrochloric acid? So, what will you get? What will you get?
Yes, we have the answers, ma'am.
Yes. Very good. All of them are commending memory?
Yes.
Yes. All right.
So good students.
Yeah, 2 good students.
Yeah.
We get? Yeah. We get calcium, chloride and water, right? Right. Simple. Simple, alle? All right. So can we move on? Or do you still have any doubts? No doubts, right? Simple. രണ്ട് റിയാക്ഷൻ കണ്ടത് രണ്ടും സിമ്പിൾ ആയിരുന്നില്ലേ? All right. Now moving on. Now let's see our third third reaction. Okay, yes, I can see your answers. Perfect. Okay, now the third reaction. It is reaction of base with non-metallic oxide. And the non-metallic oxides? Oxides of non-metals, right? Now, quickly give me some examples for non-metallic oxides. Non-metallic oxides in example. Aadim comment cheyunne. Let me see it.
Yes.
Okay, we have yes.
Oh, we
Lot of
so
comments. I think Abhinand is the first one to
Abhinand is
comment.
the first
Yes, all right, perfect. Yes, just CO2 എല്ലാവർക്കും carbon dioxide ആണല്ലോ. Just carbon dioxide? Yes, I'll give you some non-metallic oxides. Okay. Yes. Carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, sulfur trioxide. These are all examples for what? These are all examples for non-metallic oxides. Okay. Now, everyone listen carefully. You can put down your pen. You can put down your pen. Yes. Very good. Now, bases will react with non-metallic oxides to give salt and water. Okay, what did I say? Bases will react with what? Non-metallic oxides. Okay, to give what? To give us salt and water. Here you go, you have the example. Yeah. Yes, here you have the example. We have calcium hydroxide, which is a base. It reacts with carbon dioxide. Okay, what is carbon dioxide? It's a non-metallic oxide, right? Yes, and we get what? We get calcium carbonate, which is white in color, and water. Okay, now you can write it down. Okay, now you can write it down. Now you can write the examples. Okay, calcium hydroxide reacts with carbon dioxide to form salt, calcium carbonate and water. Okay, ma'am, are they writing?
Yes, they are.
Yes, very good. Yes. NO is nitric oxide, okay? NO. Yes, nitric oxide. All right. So, നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ തന്നെ bases reacts with acid to form salt and water. അത് നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചു neutralization reaction അല്ലേ? Here what? Here the base is reacting with a non-metallic oxide to form what? To form salt and water. Just like the neutralization reaction, right? So, from that, what we can say? We can say that non-metallic oxides. Okay, non-metallic oxides are what? They are generally they are acids or they are acidic in nature. Okay, they are what? They are acidic in nature. Okay, yes, they are acidic in nature. Calcium carbonate ആണ് ഇവിടെ ഫോം ചെയ്ത salt. Okay, calcium hydroxide ആയിട്ട് carbon dioxide react ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ we get calcium carbonate, which is the salt here. Okay, which is the salt here, and we get water. ഈ same reaction നമ്മൾ ഇതിനു മുന്നേ കണ്ടിട്ടില്ലേ? Yes. You want me to repeat? Okay. So, a base react with a non-metallic oxide to form what? To form salt and water. Okay. Now, we can say that non-metallic oxides are what? Non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. Yes, you can note it down. Non-metallic oxides are what? They are acidic in nature. Very good.
Thank you.
Okay, yes. Yes. Yeah. Non-metallic oxides are generally what? Generally acidic in nature. Okay, simple അല്ലേ? All right, very good. കുറേ reactions ആണ്, ഇനി ഒരുപാട് reactions ഉണ്ട്. Okay, so before that we should just relax അല്ലേ? കുറേ equations ഉം കുറേ reactions ആയി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താ? ജിക്കി sir, what do you think? അപ്പൊ ശരിയാവില്ല. Yes. So, shall we do something എന്താ ചെയ്യാ നമുക്ക് before that ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളെ സപ്പോർട്ട് ടീച്ചേഴ്സ് ആരാന്ന് പരിചയപ്പെടുത്തിയിട്ടില്ലല്ലോ. So we have today Nimmi ma'am and Jikki sir to support you. Okay? Yes. Appo Nimmi ma'am.
Yes.
Nimmi ma'am oru paattu padiyalo. Nimmi ma'am will sing a song for you guys. Okay? Yes, Binta is happy now. She's all smiling. All right. So Nimmi ma'am, please sing a song for us.
Yes. Okay guys, you can give me suggestions.
You can give suggestions to her. Please don't come into Beater Mara, okay?
No,
I'm done with that song. Yes.
When Jikki sir sings,
I
sir,
don't know
Jikki
how to
sir
sing.
fans are waiting for your song.
No, I don't know how to sing.
Yes, I think we have some Pasuri.
Jikki sir
Jikki sir പാടണം എന്ന് പറയുന്നു. തേൻമൊഴി മാം. ഓക്കെ, എല്ലാ സോങ് മാം ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ട ഒരു സോങ് പാടിക്കൊന്നാ.
Okay.
യെസ് മിസ്, എന്തെങ്കിലും മഴ സോങ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നു.
Oh, my.
ഇപ്പൊ മഴ പെയ്യുന്നുണ്ടോ? Is it raining there? Abhinand is asking you to sing Korean songs.
Oh.
Yes, Brito, you can, okay?
Okay.
Ma'am, come on, fast. We are waiting for you.
I'm
Song.
still preparing.
She's preparing.
Yeah.
That's
Just
Perfectionist.
perfectionist.
Yeah, just give them.
All right, okay. Ganesh is asking you to sing English song. Oh, Telugu now. Abhi is like Telugu song. Okay. Ma'am, you sing Vendila Chandanikinam. That's okay.
Again, I have to sing this for this class or?
No, that was for
No.
8th standard.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, yeah, guys, padam.
Okay. Start.
വെണ്ണിലാ ചന്ദനക്കിണ്ണം പുന്നമട കായലിൽ വീണേ മുണ്ടനും വെണ്ണിലാ ചന്ദനക്കിണ്ണം പുന്നമട കായലിൽ വീണേ കുഞ്ഞിളം കയ്യിൽ മെല്ലെ കോരിയെടുക്കാൻ വാ മുണ്ടകൻ കൊയ്തു കഴിഞ്ഞ് ആറ്റക്കിളി കൂകും നേരം മഞ്ഞണിത്തൂവൽ കൊണ്ടൊരു കൂടൊരുക്കാൻ വാ കാലിലെയുന്ന പുല്ലാനിക്കാറ്റിൽ കന്നിമാങ്ങ കടിച്ചു നടക്കാം കാറ്റിൻ പാദസരങ്ങൾ കേൾക്കാം കുഞ്ഞി മഞ്ചാടി കൊന്നിലേറാം.
Yes, അടിപൊളിയായിരുന്നല്ലേ? Yes. Okay, ma'am, you have a lot of fans here in the class. Okay, perfect. All right. ഇനി നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ആർക്കെങ്കിലും പാടണോ? Do you want to sing? ഇനി മഹിമ മാം. മഹിമ മാമിന്റെ സോങ് ഉണ്ട് വെണ്ണില ചന്ദനക്കിണ്ണം. അത് ഓൾറെഡി പാടി. മഹിമ മാം ഏത് പാട്ട് പാടും? All right. ഇനി ക്ലാസ്സിൽ ആർക്കെങ്കിലും പാടണോ? We don't have any singers in this class.
Come on guys, you can
Seriously.
hand raise. You can sing.
I know we have singers in the class. ആരെങ്കിലും ഒരാളൊന്ന് ഹാൻഡ് റൈസ് ചെയ്തേ. സിംഗേഴ്സിന് ആവണമെന്നൊന്നുമില്ലല്ലോ. You can just
പാടണം.
ഞാൻ പാടില്ല. ഞാൻ ഓട്ടു.
അപ്പൊ ഞാൻ ma'am, we have a hand raise.
Yes, hello Anne Maria.
Yes, Anne Maria.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, how are you, Anne Maria?
I'm fine, ma'am. What about you, ma'am?
Oh, I'm fine too, dear. So, നമുക്കിന്ന് സോങ് പാടില്ലേ? Which song do you have for us?
Hindi song.
It's an English song.
Hindi.
All right. Okay. Yes. We can have the song now. Yeah. I'm ready. Yeah.
तू मेरा कोई ना होके भी कुछ कुछ लागे तू मेरा कोई ना होके भी कुछ लागे किया रे जो भी तूने कैसे किया रे जिया को मेरे बांध ऐसे लिया रे समझ के बिना समझ मैं सकूं सवेरों का मेरे तो सूरज लागे तो मेरा कोई ना होके भी कुछ लागे अपना बना ले पिया अपना बना ले पिया अपना बना ले मुझे अपना बना ले पिया अपना बना ले पिया अपना बना ले पिया दिल के नगर में शहर तू बसा लूं पिया
Oh God, super.
Awesome!
So
Okay, it
good.
was so good, Anne-Maria. Very good, okay? Yes.
And yeah, the chat box is so full.
Yes, Gautam is showing a picture that he drew. Is it Ronaldo?
Yeah. Yes, it's
Ma'am,
Ronaldo.
can you just pin him?
It's Ronaldo.
Is it Gautam or who is that?
It's Drishya, ma'am.
Drishya. Oh, Drishya. That ma'am. Can we show this?
It's Gautam, ma'am.
Gautam.
Gautam Krishna.
It's Gautam. Sir, can we show
Yes.
them to
To everyone.
spotlight? Yeah. Yes.
Can't see only.
Oh yes. Okay. New students can see. Okay. Alright. Now everyone, you can see a beautiful picture by Gautam. Okay. Did you see that? So good, right? Yes, it's so good. Very good, Gautam. Yes. Oh my God. So we have lots and lots of talents in this class. Perfect. Yes, very good. Okay. Okay. Now let's continue with the class. Okay. Okay. Now we have what? Our next topic is acids and bases in water solution. Okay. What will happen when we add an acid or a base into water? In water. Okay. Appo, കാണാം നമുക്ക്. You have already studied this in your lower classes, I guess. Okay, you've already, okay, alright. You've already seen this in your lower classes. Okay, so what will happen if you add an acid into water? Any idea? We have a lot of CR7 fans here. Okay. So, when you add an acid in water, okay. Can I use a pencil? Yes. Yeah, HCl is an acid that you already know. Okay. Yes, Nia, you are right. It dissociates into its ions. Okay. So, when you add acid in water, what will happen is that it will quickly dissociate. Okay, it will quickly dissociate into ions. Okay, we will get H plus ions and Cl minus ions. Okay, what will we get? We get H plus ions and Cl minus ions. Okay, അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ I'll give you a question. ഈ HNO3 ഒന്ന് ഡിസോസിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്തേ നിങ്ങൾ. What will we get? What will we get? I'll give you time.
Come on.
Yes.
Yes, we got the answer.
Yes, very good. Okay. Yes. അപ്പോൾ നൈട്രിക് ആസിഡിൽ നൈട്രിക് ആസിഡ് വാട്ടറിൽ എങ്ങനെ ഡിസോസിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാ? ഇറ്റ് ഡിസോസിയേറ്റ് ആസ് H plus and NO3 minus ion. Okay. Now, yes, H plus and NO3 minus ion. Now, here H plus ions. Okay, H plus ions cannot exist independently. Okay, H plus ന് H plus ആയിട്ട് നിൽക്കാൻ എന്താണ് കുറച്ച് ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടുണ്ട്. So what will it do? H plus ions will combine with water. Okay, it will combine with water. Yes, and it will exist as H3O plus ion. Okay, it will exist as what? It will exist as H3O plus ion. ഈ H3O plus ion ഒരു പേരുണ്ട്. What is it? It is called hydronium ion. Yes, Nia, you are correct. Okay, it is called what? Hydronium ion. Yes, it exists as what? Hydronium ion. Okay. Yes. Clear alle? Clear alle? Acid in water now. Yes. If it is clear, കണ്ടോ, ഇതല്ലേ നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തത്. HCl വാട്ടറിൽ എങ്ങനെ ഡിസോസിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്യും? ആസ് H3O plus and Cl minus. ആ H3O plus എങ്ങനെയാ വന്നത്? H plus ion combined with what? With water to form what? Hydronium ion. Okay, is it clear? Clear അല്ലേ?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
All right. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നമ്മൾ ചോദിച്ചാൽ നമുക്ക് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ചോദിക്കാം. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നമ്മൾ ചോദിക്കും, ഡോണ്ട് വറി. യെസ്, ഓക്കെ. Now here acidsന് എല്ലാ ആസിഡ്സിനും കോമൺ ആയിട്ട് എന്തുണ്ടാവും? ഹൈഡ്രജൻ ഉണ്ടാവും അല്ലേ? സോ ദേ give H plus ions in the solution. Okay, but ഹൈഡ്രജൻ ആറ്റംസ് ഉള്ള എല്ലാവരും അസിഡിക് ആണോ? Acidic ആണോ? What do you think? ഹൈഡ്രജൻ ആറ്റംസ് ഉള്ള എല്ലാവരും സൊല്യൂഷനിൽ H plus ions തരണമെന്നുണ്ടോ? Yes, no, right? Yes, very good. So the reason for the acidic property എന്താ? Acidic property തരാനുള്ള കാരണം they give H plus ions in water. Okay, വാട്ടറിൽ അവർ H plus ions തരും. That is the reason for their acidic property. But ഹൈഡ്രജൻ ആറ്റംസ് ഉള്ള എല്ലാ കോമ്പൗണ്ട്സും എന്ത് തരില്ല? H plus ions തരണമെന്നില്ല. ഓക്കെ, ഹൈഡ്രജൻ ആറ്റംസ് ഉള്ള എല്ലാവരും തരണമെന്നില്ല. H plus ions തരുന്നവരൊക്കെ ആരായിരിക്കും? They will be acids. Okay, ഞാൻ ഒന്നും കൂടെ പറയാം. Acids എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താ? Acids are the substances which can give H plus ions in their solution. Okay, സൊല്യൂഷനിൽ H plus ions തരുന്നവരൊക്കെ ആരായിരിക്കും? അവരൊക്കെ ആസിഡ്സ് ആയിരിക്കും. ഓക്കെ, ഹൈഡ്രജൻ ഉള്ള എല്ലാ കോമ്പൗണ്ട്സും, ഇപ്പോൾ ഗ്ലൂക്കോസ് ഒക്കെ നോക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഗ്ലൂക്കോസിൽ ഹൈഡ്രജൻ ഉണ്ട്, പക്ഷെ അവർ H plus ions തരില്ല. സോ ദേ ആർ നോട്ട് അസിഡിക്. ഓക്കെ, ആൽക്കഹോൾസ് എടുക്കുക. ആൽക്കഹോൾസിൽ എന്തുണ്ട്? there is hydrogen atoms but they won't give what? H plus ions in the solution. So they are not what? Acids. Okay, നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം. We'll do an yes. Glucose is an example. Yes, let's do an experiment and find it out. Okay, yes. Here I have എന്തൊക്കെയുണ്ട്? I have HCl, I have sulfuric acid, I have glucose and alcohol. Okay, yes. ഇനി നമുക്ക് ഒരു ചെറിയൊരു എക്സ്പെരിമെന്റ് നമുക്ക് നടത്താം. ഓക്കെ, yes sir. നമ്മുടെ ബാക്കിയുള്ള സെറ്റപ്പ് ഒക്കെ കൊണ്ടുവന്നോളൂ. And let's do the experiment together. Okay, yes. Now I have a beaker here. നമ്മൾ ഇലക്ട്രിസിറ്റി കണ്ടക്ട് ചെയ്യോ ഇല്ലയോ എന്നാണ് നോക്കാൻ പോണത്. ഓക്കെ, യെസ്, അവിടെ നെയിൽസ്, 2 അയൺ നെയിൽസ് അറ്റാച്ച് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. യെസ്, ഐ ഹാവ് എ ബൾബ്, ബാറ്ററി, സ്വിച്ച്. ഓക്കെ, now I am going to first add the aqueous solution of hydrochloric acid. Okay, and let's see if the bulb glows or not. Yes, what do you see? Sir, is the bulb glowing? The bulb. Yes, the bulb glows, right? Appo HCl ഒഴിച്ചപ്പോ the bulb glows. All right. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് അടുത്ത ആൾ ഒഴിച്ചാലോ സർ? Now let's add sulfuric acid. Now I have the answers in the comment box. Please wait, okay? Okay, experiment mottham kariyate. Yes. Yes, sir. Now I'm going to add some sulfuric acid here. Now what happened? Did the bulb glow? Yes. The bulb glows when you add sulfuric acid. Okay. Yes, very good. We have glucose here. Appo glucose kuറിച്ച് add ചെയ്യാം. Yes, sir. We can add some glucose. Glucose and alcohol നമുക്ക് ഒരുമിച്ച് add ചെയ്യാം. So we don't have any time to waste. Okay. Yes. Yes. So നമ്മൾ ഗ്ലൂക്കോസും ആൽക്കഹോളും ഒരുമിച്ച് ആഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോവാണ്. And let's see what happens when we add glucose and alcohol. Yes. 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 ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ ആഡ് ചെയ്തു? We added alcohol. Here I am going to add some glucose. What do you observe? Is the bulb glowing? No, right? Yes. Okay. The bulb is not glowing. Yes, acids are good conductors of electricity. Why? Because acids and the aqueous solution it dissociate into ions. Alle? It dissociate into ions, and as a result they will conduct what? They will conduct electricity. പക്ഷേ ഗ്ലൂക്കോസും ആൽക്കഹോൾസും even though they have hydrogen atoms, they will not give H+ ions. Okay? അപ്പോൾ എന്ത് നടക്കില്ല? There will be no conduction of electricity. Okay? So acids are good conductors of electricity. Yes, sir. You can. Is it just acid? We'll come back to this. Okay? So നമുക്ക് ഇത് മറ്റേ ഒരു പോയിന്റ് കൂടി ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട് ബാക്കി കാണിക്കാം. Yes. Yes. You can remove the animations. Yes. Now, okay. What will happen when you add a base into a water? Say, acid na nammal kandu. Now let's see what happens when you add a base. Base is NaOH, alle? NaOH base in example alle NaOH. NaOH water il endha cheya? Engine dissociate cheya? You can comment the answer in the comment box. Yes, we get hydroxide ions, right? Yes. This engine dissociating, we get Na plus and OH minus. Okay, we get Na plus and OH minus. NaOH engine water le dissociate here. It dissociate as Na plus and OH minus. So, complete this reaction. Potassium hydroxide on the dissociate. Yes, very good, very good. Potassium hydroxide on the dissociate. What will you get? Very good. We get K plus ions and OH minus ions. So what I can say, generally bases are the substances which gives OH minus ion in its solution. Okay, this is another. Bases are the substances that gives OH minus ions in the solution. So let me ask, if I add a base in the previous experiment, NaOH and KOH add idina, will it conduct electricity? What do you think? A same experiment NaOH and KOH add idina, will it conduct electricity? No? Okay, no and yes and mixed answers.
Yes, mixed answers.
Okay, so we will experiment. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Continuation, like.
So should I put a blank slide?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Nuaim, you are right. Okay, you are right. Okay, now let's see what happens towards the end, sir. Yes. We added glucose and we added alcohol also. Yeah. Yes. Here, I have taken in this beaker sodium hydroxide. Okay. Sodium hydroxide add idu. Here I have what? Here I have potassium hydroxide. Yes, sir. You can play it. In the back of it, in the front only. Yes. Yes. Here I have sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. Okay. Yes. Kanda, the bulb glows. Guys, yes, it glows. So I got many no's in the comment box. Why? Yes, so it does conduct electricity. Okay. So bases are also what? Bases are also good conductors of electricity. Do not forget that. Okay. Alright. Okay, is it clear now? Now acids. Acids are the substance which gives H plus ions, okay, in the solution. Now what about base? Bases are the substances which gives OH minus ions in the solution, and both of them are good conductors of electricity, okay, they conduct electricity, okay. Alright, yes sir. Yes. Now we are going to our next part. Okay. Next, but this is simple for you. You already know these. Okay, what is this? Dilution. Okay. Now, what is dilution? Have you heard that word before? Dilution എന്താണെന്ന് അറിയോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക്? ഒന്ന് കമന്റ് ചെയ്ത് അറിയുന്ന ആരെങ്കിലും? അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അറിയണ്ട. Just the process of dissolve. Yes, very good. You're right, okay. Yes, the mixing of an acid or a base with water. Okay, ഇതിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്തെന്ന് പറയുന്നത്? Dilution എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Okay. All right. Yes, after this.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, this is called what? This is called dilution. Appo. Yes. ഇനി എങ്ങനെ നമ്മളൊരു കോൺസെൻട്രേറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു ആസിഡിനെ ഡൈല്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യുക? വാട്ട് ഡു യു തിങ്ക്? ഹൗ വിൽ യു ഡൈല്യൂട്ട് എ കോൺസെൻട്രേറ്റഡ് ആസിഡ്? വിൽ യു ആഡ് water into acid or acid into water? What is the right way? What do you think? Add more water to acid, right? What do you think? What do you think? ഇവിടെ ഞാൻ കുറച്ച് ആസിഡിൽ I added some water. What happened? Jikki sir is crying. Don't cry, Jikki sir. Always remember, please do not add water to acid. Okay, that is highly exothermic. Okay. Yeah. Please do not add water to acid. It is highly what? Exothermic. Okay, I'll show you the definition. Don't worry. Okay. So, then what is the correct way to dilute an acid or a base? Okay, so we will add acid to water or base to water with constant stirring. Okay. Like if we add water to acid or acid to water, both are exothermic process. Okay, random exothermic aanu, but the right way is to add acid drop by drop into water with constant stirring. Stirring എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ എന്താണെന്ന് മനസ്സിലായില്ലേ? Yeah, mixing, right? ഒരു ഗ്ലാസ്സിനോട് വെച്ച് നമ്മൾ മിക്സ് ചെയ്യുന്ന കണ്ടിട്ടില്ലേ? Yes. So you have once broke a conical flask. Oh really? Fatima, I feel you because I have broken a lot of test tubes and conical flask as well. And I'm sure Nimmi ma'am might have also. Yes. Jikki sir also. അപ്പൊ പേടിക്കണ്ട, നമ്മളെല്ലാം ഒരു സെറ്റാണ്. Yes, it's a part of like chemistry lab. Yeah, കുറച്ച് പൊട്ടിക്കലൊന്നും ഇല്ലെങ്കിൽ പിന്നെ എന്ത് chemistry, right? Yes. So, this is an important question, okay? This they have asked in the previous year also, okay? This is an important. What is the correct way to dilute an acid or a base, concentrated base? What you will do? You will add, if it's an acid, you will add acid into water. Yeah, we'll add acid into water, drop by drop with constant stirring. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yeah, you can note it down. Okay. Yes. Perfect. I think you're done. If you're done, you can show me a thumbs up. Okay, first take a screenshot. Oh, okay, you are done. Okay, അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഇതുവരെ പഠിച്ച കാര്യങ്ങൾ shall we revise it?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we revise? എങ്ങനെ revision വേണം? What do you think, Nimmi ma'am? Should we ask questions?
Yeah.
Or
I think
That would be
Good.
great.
yes, then we can ask
can
some
just-
questions. Yeah.
talk to the kids.
Yes. All right.
Yes, let's call someone.
Yes, ma'am. I leave it
Yes.
up to you. Miss
Hello, Sanchita.
Yes,
Where
Sanchita.
are you? Hi, Sanchita.
Hi, Sanchita. Yes, good afternoon. How are you? Not feeling good? What happened?
No problem, I have cold.
You've cold.
Oh.
Okay, all right. So, tell me, Sanjita, what will happen when an acid react with metallic oxide? What happens? Yes. Yes, Sanjita.
Hello, Sanchita. Yeah.
I think she's stuck. Is it network issues?
Yep.
Yes, I think so.
Yes. I think
Yeah.
it would.
Okay, then we can.
Yes.
Call
let's
next
call Rishin.
Yes, Rishin. Rishin. Yes. Now, what will happen when you add like when an acid react with a metal oxide?
And she's back. Okay.
Yeah, we'll ask her.
It gives salt plus water.
It gives salt and water. Okay. So, what do you think? What is the nature of metal oxides? Metal oxides are generally dash in nature. What do you think? I can see the answers in the comment box. Okay, very good. They are basic in nature, right? All right. Very good. Perfect. Yes. I think we can unmute her again, ma'am. Sanjita.
Yes, Sanchita.
No, she lost network again.
Okay. The next one. So,
Shreya.
Shreya. Is it Shreya or Krishna
Yeah.
Priya?
Shreya.
Shreya. Hi, Shreya.
Shreya. Oh, she's Shreya.
Hi, miss.
Hi, how are you, Shreya?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine too. So the first topic we discussed was neutralization reaction, right? അപ്പോൾ എന്താ ന്യൂട്രലൈസേഷൻ റിയാക്ഷൻ എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ മിസ്സിനൊന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു തരുമോ?
Ma'am, I was a bit late.
You was a bit late to the class. Okay. So have you ever heard of this neutralization reaction before? No. Okay, so don't worry. So neutralization reaction എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ആസിഡ് ഇല്ലേ, ആസിഡ് reacts with a base. Okay, acid reacts with a base to give what? To give salt and water. Okay, to give salt and water. ഇതിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്തെന്ന് പറയുന്നത്? ന്യൂട്രലൈസേഷൻ റിയാക്ഷൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ, ഇനി ക്ലാസ്സിൽ കറക്റ്റ് ടൈമിൽ ജോയിൻ ചെയ്യണം കേട്ടോ. Alright. Alright, perfect. Yes, now ഇനി ആരാ
Now
നമുക്ക്?
let's call Malavika.
Yes, Malavika.
Malavika, unmute ചെയ്തേ.
Malavika, can you please unmute? I can't see you, Malavika. Why your camera is off? Can you please turn on your camera?
Hello, Malavika.
Yes. Hi. Ma'am, can you please unmute her?
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
All right. കുറച്ച് ഉറക്കെ പറയണം കേട്ടോ മോളെ. You're not audible, okay? Yes. So, now, what is the correct way to dilute a concentrated acid? I think
she's also
you can you please come? I think you have some network issues. Can you please comment or type the answer or
in the
yeah,
chat box.
in the chat box you can comment it. Okay. Yes, Nia, very good, Nia, very good. Okay. Yes, now who wants to answer? Who wants to tell me how to dilute it? You can raise your hand.
Yes, raise your hands.
Yes.
Yes,
ma'am,
we
the first
have
one.
Noem.
Noem. Yes, Noem. Long time no see.
Yeah.
Yes, Noem.
Good evening.
Yes, good evening. So what is the correct way to dilute a concentrated acid?
You have to add acid to water drop by drop with constant stir.
Very good, very good. You're right. Okay. We'll add acid drop by drop into water with constant stirring. Okay. Alright. Now you can hands down. Okay. So, till now, do you have any doubt? First, we saw neutralization reaction. Okay. Neutralization reaction. Then second one, the reaction of acid with metal oxide. Okay. Acid with metal oxide. Second, third reaction in there, the reaction of base with non-metallic oxide. Then we saw the dissociation of acid and base in its solution. Alright. Now, I think we can move on. Yes. Yes. Okay. Ini one important point. This is very important. Okay. Sir, animation IT minute. I'll call you. Okay. So now we already discussed that acid gives what? H plus ions in its solution. Ini the acidic property. Acids in the acidic property ki reason is the releasing of H plus ions. Right? But for an acid to show its acidic character, it needs the presence of water. Okay. Water in the presence acid in the acid in the acidic character. Okay. Let's do an experiment and find it out. Okay, so yes, we can have the experiment. Yes. Meanwhile, you guys should also hydrate, okay? You all have your water bottle near you, right?
Yes.
Very good. Yes. Here I have, yes sir, you can play it. Yes. I've taken some concentrated sulfuric acid and I have sodium chloride here. Okay, so Miss got sodium chloride test tube add it. Okay. Now I am going to add concentrated sulfuric acid into the test tube. Okay, what happens? You can see a gas is forming there. Okay, that gas is nothing but HCl. Okay, HCl gas are liberate either. Okay, now so wait, can you just go back? Yes, appo HCl gas forms you. Ini adu miss oru delivery tube. This is called a delivery tube. Okay, ee delivery tube vechitte ee gas ine miss oru blue color litmus paper aayittu kanikkan povanu. Okay, HCl namukku endana ariyam? HCl is hydrochloric acid alle? Yes sir. Nammal oru dry aayittulla blue color litmus paper il kanikkana. Okay, so back. Okay, appo dry aayittulla back go sir. Yes. Dry aayittulla litmus paper il ee HCl gas pass cheyannu vicharikki. Can you see any color change? Acid aanengil it should turn blue litmus paper red. Alle? Blue litmus paper ne red aakanam. But here nokku dry aayittulla litmus paper vechappo there was no color change. Okay. Instead of a dry litmus paper, I have a wet litmus paper. Okay, a wet litmus paper. Yes, sir. This gas on the pass. Okay. What will happen? Slowly it's changing its color to red. Slowly it is changing its color to red. Yes. So, for an acid, in order to show its acidic property, it needs what? It needs the presence of water. Okay, it needs the presence of water. Yes. Alright, so what is that actual reaction taking place here? Yes, sir, you can. You removed it. Okay. Yes. So NaCl-ലേക്ക് നമ്മൾ എന്താ ആഡ് ചെയ്തത്? Concentrated sulfuric acid അല്ലേ? It was concentrated sulfuric acid add ചെയ്തപ്പോ we got what? We got HCl gas അല്ലേ? HCl gas ആയിട്ട് അവിടെ liberate ചെയ്തു. പിന്നെ അവിടെ along with HCl we got NaHSO4. It is sodium bisulfate. Okay, അവിടെ കിട്ടിയ ഫോം ചെയ്ത salt എന്തായിരുന്നു? It was sodium. You can see this, right? Yes, sodium bisulfate. Okay, it was sodium bisulfate. Now HCl dry ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു HCl ഗ്യാസ് ആണല്ലോ. ഈ HCl ഗ്യാസിനെ ഒരു ഡ്രൈ ബ്ലൂ ലിറ്റ്മസ് പേപ്പറിലൂടെ പാസ് ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ what happened? There was no color change. Okay, there was no color change. But ഞാനൊരു വെറ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ബ്ലൂ ലിറ്റ്മസ് പേപ്പർ എടുത്തിട്ട് when I showed it, what happened? Slowly the blue color changed into red. അല്ലേ? Blue color red ആയിട്ട് change ചെയ്തു. So that means in order for an acid to show its acidic character, it needs presence of what? Presence of water. So if in the exam HCl gas ആയിട്ട് തന്നിട്ട് if they ask will they dissociate into ions, please do not write they dissociate into H plus and Cl minus ions. Please don't write that. Okay, acid അതിന്റെ acidic character എങ്ങനെ കാണിക്കുള്ളൂ? Only in the presence of water. അപ്പൊ HCl aqueous ആണെങ്കിൽ you can write it, it will dissociate into H plus and Cl minus ions. Okay, appo idu you should always remember. Okay, you can note it down. This is important. Okay, ഇത് important ആണ്. HCl gas ആണ് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നതെങ്കിൽ പ്ലീസ് അതിനെ ഡിസോസിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾ H plus and Cl minus എന്ന് എഴുതരുത്. Okay, അത് aqueous ആണ്. To give what? To give H plus and Cl minus ions. Okay. Alright. Yes. Ini. Now, let's learn more about acids and bases. Okay. Okay. Let's learn more about acids and bases. Okay. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് already അറിയാവുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങളാണ്. ഇനി ആസിഡ്സിനെ പറ്റി പറയാനാണെങ്കിൽ we have some naturally occurring acids. അല്ലേ? Now you can answer. നമുക്ക് one by one ആയിട്ട് നമുക്ക് unmute ചെയ്യണോ മാം? One by one ആയിട്ട് unmute ചെയ്യണോ? Or അത് ഒരാളെ കൊണ്ട് തന്നെ എല്ലാം പറയിപ്പിച്ചാലോ?
ഒരാളെ കൊണ്ട് ചോദിക്കല്ലേ? സിമ്പിൾ അല്ലേ?
സിമ്പിൾ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. ഇത് okay. Answers already വന്നു.
ഇനി ചോദിക്കെന്താണ്?
അപ്പൊ I think we can unmute. Nia? Nia was the first one to raise her hand.
Yes, Nia.
Nia. Yes, good evening. Appo one by I think first three you can answer. Okay. So the first question, which is the acid present in vinegar?
Acetic acid.
Acetic acid. Very good. So if you don't know, you can write it down. This is important. Okay. Now what about orange or lemon? Which is the acid present in orange or lemon?
Citric acid.
It's citric acid. Yes. Now what about tamarind?
Tartaric acid.
Yes, tartaric acid. Very good, Nia. All right. Now, ma'am, the second one.
Let's call Alan Victor.
Yes, Alan. Hi, Alan.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, how are you?
Right, ma'am.
Okay, all right. You have your brother studying near you? Yes, okay, all right. So, Alan, tell me, which is the acid present in tomato?
Oxalic acid.
Oxalic acid. Now, what about curd? The acid present in curd?
Lactic acid.
Lactic acid. Very good. Okay, very good. Okay, yes, ma'am. Do we have Unnimaya? Unnimaya undo.
Unnimaya, can you please hand raise?
Unnimaya, can you please raise your hand?
Yes, we have Unnimaya. I saw her. Yes.
Hi, Unnimaya.
Hi, Unnimaya.
How are you?
Fine.
Yes, I'm fine too, dear. So, what is the acid present in ant sting?
Formic acid.
Formic acid. Are you sure? It is formic acid, which is also known as methanoic acid. You are right, okay? Are you sure? Sure, right? Yes, no, right? All right. So, I have one more question. Do you know the acid present in apple? Any idea?
No.
No, it is malic acid. Okay, it is malic acid. We have answers in the comment box.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, clear alle? Dokka ariyarunnaayirunnu alle?
Yes.
Dokka clear alle? Okay. So, very good, very good. Now, we have naturally occurring acids. That is nature lane present aayittulla kore acids undu. Adine example aanu endu nammal ipo kandathu. Okay. Now, organic, have you ever heard of organic acids? Any idea what organic acid is? Naturally occurring acids ആണ് നമ്മൾ എന്തെന്ന് പറയുന്നത്? Organic acids എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Okay. Yes, these are the naturally occurring acids. നമ്മൾ നേരത്തെ കണ്ട acids ഒക്കെ ഇല്ലേ? അതൊക്കെ എന്താണ്? They are all organic acids. Okay. They will be present in what? In plants and animals. Okay. And Malik no. Spelling mistake. Okay, all right. Okay. Now these organic acids are generally weak acids. Okay. Organic acids എന്തായിരിക്കും? They will be generally weak. Okay. All right. Now, next we have inorganic acid or mineral acids. Okay. And the inorganic or mineral acids എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മുടെ earthന്റെ minerals അല്ലേ? Minerals എന്നൊക്കെ obtain ചെയ്യുന്ന acids ആണ് എന്ത്? Inorganic acids അല്ലെങ്കിൽ mineral acids എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. That will be prepared in laboratories. Okay. You might have heard of HCl, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, then what? HNO3. Okay. These are all what? Ma'am, I think there's a comment. Okay. These are all what? These are all prepared in laboratories. Okay. So in the higher classes, you will learn about like how to prepare H2SO4 and HNO3 and all. Okay. So these are all called what? These are inorganic acids or mineral acids. Now, generally speaking, mineral acids are strong. Okay. They are strong acids, but there are some exceptional cases. Okay. What is H2CO3? H2CO3 is carbonic acid. Okay. Carbonic acid endana? Yes, carbonic acid and this is phosphoric acid. Okay. These two acids, they are weak. Okay. Ellam strong aanu namukku parayan pattilla. There are weak inorganic acids also. Okay. Yes. Is it clear? This already you have studied this in your lower classes. Okay. Alright. Yes. Now, moving on. Now, in our households and all, we might have so many metallic utensils. Okay. Brass container and copper on containers. Okay. So, we will not use metallic containers to store acid or substances which are acidic in nature. For example, curd or sour milk. They are all acidic in nature, okay? But we will not use what? Metallic containers like copper container or brass container to store it. Do you have any idea why? Any idea why? Yes, who is the first one to come? Is it corrosion? Yes. Yes, Nuaim, you're right. Yes, we've already studied that acids can react with what? Can react with metals. Okay, so in the acidic substance, a copper in a container, what will happen? It will slowly react with the metal. Okay, acid metal to react, it will create some poisonous substances which will make the food unfit to consume. Okay, it is unfit. It will make the food unfit for consumption. So you should never store acidic substances in a brass or copper container. We always store it in a what? In a glass container, right? Glass container like in ceramic container like in the acidic substances okay. Substances store so this is very important. This is also a previous year question, okay? Yes, you can note this down. Yes. Curd അല്ലെങ്കിൽ acidic substance ഒക്കെ നമ്മൾ copper vessel ഒക്കെ പോലെ ഇട്ട് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ what happens? It will react with the metal. Okay? React with metal. Steel എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് it's an alloy. Okay? ഒരു alloy ആണ്. Okay. They react with to form what? Toxic components and it will make the food unfit for consumption. Okay? Done. എഴുതുന്നുണ്ടോ നിങ്ങള്? കുറേ പേര് വെറുതെ ഇരിക്കുന്നുണ്ടല്ലോ. Yes. Is it clear? Done.
What about aluminium, ma'am?
Aluminium ഒരു metal അല്ലേ?
Will it react?
Yeah, of course. Always store it in glass containers or ceramic containers, guys. Okay? Yes. Any? No, you don't have after class today. Okay? Yes. Any? Bases. What are bases? Bases are nothing but oxides or hydroxides of metals. Okay, metals in the oxides അല്ലെങ്കിൽ metals in the hydroxide നെയാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്തെന്ന് പറയുന്നത് base എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Okay, ഇനി അതിനൊരു എക്സാമ്പിൾ നോക്ക് അമോണിയം ഹൈഡ്രോക്സൈഡ്. Okay, അമോണിയം ഹൈഡ്രോക്സൈഡ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് it is not a hydroxide of a metal. Okay, but what happens is that it can react with acid. Okay, ammonium hydroxide നമ്മൾ എന്താ പറഞ്ഞത് base എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ it is an oxide or hydroxide of metals എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. But ammonium hydroxide എന്താ? Ammonium hydroxide is NH4OH. Okay, it is NH4OH. അതൊരു മെറ്റലിന്റെ ഹൈഡ്രോക്സൈഡ് അല്ല, but still it is considered as a base. Why? Because it can react with an acid to form salt and water. Okay, it can react with acid to form what? Salt and water. You can just note it down. Okay, you can note it down. Now what are the bases? What are the bases that can dissolve in water called? You have studied this in your lower classes. Parane. The bases that dissolves in water. Ella baseum water le dissolve avilla. Yes. Only some bases dissolve in water and these are called what? Alkalis. Okay, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, these are all what? These are all alkalis. So you know about that. Okay, now shall we take a quick look on the strength of an acid and a base? Okay, what are strong acids? Okay, you already have the answer now here. Okay, what is a strong acid? നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു ആസിഡ്സ് എന്താണ് സൊല്യൂഷനിൽ H+ അയോൺസിനെ തരും അല്ലേ? ഇറ്റ് ക്യാൻ ലിബറേറ്റ് വാട്ട്? H+ അയോൺസ്. ഓക്കെ, യെസ്, ഐ വിൽ ഷോ ദ പ്രീവിയസ് സ്ലൈഡ്. ഓക്കെ ഫാത്തിമ, ഡോണ്ട് വറി. സോ ആസിഡ്സ് ആർ ദ സബ്സ്റ്റൻസ് വിച്ച് ലിബറേറ്റ് H+ അയോൺ. ഓക്കെ, നൗ if they liberate a large amount of H+ ions in the solution, they are considered to be strong acids. Okay, if the number of H+ ion produced is very large, they are considered as strong acids. Okay, now here you go. These are the examples for strong acids. You might have already studied this in your previous classes. Okay, just to remind you. Okay, the acid which completely dissociate to produce large amount of H+ ions are called strong acids. Yes, they can undergo complete ionization. Yes, you are correct. Okay, now what about weak acids? Weak acids only partially dissociate. Alle, complete dissociation undavilla. They only dissociate Partially. So the H plus ions produced will be what? Will be very small. Okay, it will be very small. So those are called weak acids. Now, the acids which partially dissociate in water to produce small amount of H plus ions. Alle? Weak acids. Okay? Yes. Clear? Alle? So, then what will be strong acid and strong base? Yes, partial ionization. Yes. So, any strong base and what is a strong base? What will be a strong base? You have to study some examples, okay, for strong acids and strong bases. Examples, okay. Strong bases, they will completely dissociate into water to give large amount of OH minus ions. Okay. Alright. Example, NaOH and KOH. Now, what are weak bases? Weak bases will partially dissociate in water. Okay, complete dissociate. So, the amount of OH minus ions produced will be very less. Some examples are ammonium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide. Okay, is it clear? Already lower classes. Okay, this is just for your extra information. Okay, extra information I love you. It will be useful. Alright. Okay. Shall we write the exam? Yes. Strong acid slide around. Yes. Okay, so it's exam time, guys. You can call your parents. Yes, but it's time to say bye-bye to our YouTube family. Okay? So YouTube family, thank you so much for joining with us. Okay? Thank you so much. Okay. Yes. Now students, you can call your parents. Okay? Ellavarum parents then you can attend the exam. Yes, Nia. I saw it. Yeah. Alright.